Moving forward, Chris's Imperial. Don't mind this quarantine mask, whatever. Was either that or Dirty Sock. That definitely wins. Alright, when we left off, we had the head on over there on the passenger side. Just wrapped up putting the valve cover on. Our exhaust manifold's done over there. Gonna start cleaning this edge, this deck surface. Deck is clean on driver's side. Head gasket is on. Cylinders are ready. Getting ready to bolt that head down. Alright, cylinder head is on and torqued. Gonna do our rocker arms and push rods on this side. And we are going to go from there. Alright, rockers are on, lubed, torqued, ready to go. I'm gonna throw the valve cover on this side just to keep everything nice and clean. Then it's onto the valley pan and the intake gaskets and the intake manifold. We are coming along on the Imperial. Right, got our valley pan in, located and bolted, ready to rock with its hold down tabs on both ends. Gonna get ready to put this intake manifold on right now, which is sitting right over here. Next step. Manifold is in its resting place. Just need to bolt her down with the nice new valley pan. Man, she's looking good. Chris's Imperial. Very nice. Looking good. Valve covers on, manifolds on. The bracket for the throttle linkage and all that, that's over and painted. That's gonna go on next time we're here. Valley pan on, fresh, ready to roll. Styling. Look at that with the exhaust manifold all painted up. Purdy, purdy.